Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Diana, this is Renegade Baker, and today we're making blueberry muffins. They're gluten-free, refined sugar-free, vegan, and they kind of taste like cake. They're delicious. So let's get started. Okay, we're starting with all of the wet ingredients first. I've got organic maple syrup. I just like to go the organic route. It's just what I do. Vanilla extract. You're also gonna add in salt. Salt actually, oops.
Uh-oh, you spilled the salt.
Salt actually brings out the flavor in baked goods, so it's not gonna be as salty, it's gonna be sweet. I like to use organic coconut sugar. It's just fantastic, makes everything way better. And we're gonna mix that up. Also, organic coconut milk. The coconut milk kind of has to be coconut because there's a really good amount of fat in it. If you use like a nut milk, you might not get the same results. So kind of have to use the coconut milk. You could do cashew milk if you really needed to sub it out. Then we're adding all of our dry ingredients. So almond flour, again, has a little bit of fat content to it. You've got this 1-to-1 gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. I use Bob's Red Mill. Then we've got baking powder, tapioca flour, and there's a reason why you do all these different like flours and starches, because when you don't have the gluten, it's better to mix a bunch of different flours because it gives such a better consistency and like crumb. If you only use like one flour, it's gonna end up kind of not great. So your batter is gonna look kind of like a cake batter, kind of just slightly loose. We add the blueberries. This is half cup. If you want more, you can add more, but just be careful because they can get soggy. And that's it. Then we're gonna spoon them in. Just wanna line your baking pan with liners and dump them in. You're gonna wanna fill them. Not quite all the way full, but a good bit. A little messy, but it works. Put your oven at 350 and we're gonna pop these in right now for about 20 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me, y'all. I really had such a good time baking these blueberry muffins with you guys. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel and I would appreciate any support at all. Also, if you live in the Houston area and you don't want to bake, you can go to www.renegadebaker.com and I will bake something for you and bring it to you, okay? That's awesome. Finally, if there's something that you want me to bake, please leave me a comment. I would love to get feedback. Just let me know what you want.
What do you want? What do you want?
Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks so much. I'm doing it again. Start over, okay.
Whenever you're ready.
They kind of taste like cake. So there's that. Today, sorry. Can I keep going?